further into the issue and challenges of implementation of Ar-Rahnu, let us first get to know what Ar-Rahnu is. In 1992, Islamic pawnbroking, or known as Ar-Rahnu, was first introduced by Terengganu state government due to high demand on interest-free and Sharia compliance microcredit tools. This is what Ar-Rahnu is. It is one of the microfinancing tools offered with the main objective to assist medium to low income individuals in obtaining short-term financing. These services are offered by financial institutions, cooperative, or even pawnbroking company with licenses from regulatory authority like Bank Negara. In Malaysia, Ar-Rahnu also assists many small medium enterprise businesses as a source of capital. Ar-Rahnu also helps funding educational needs, resolving debts, agricultural development, and also village industries.
Okay, the first issue is a limited loan amount. Limited loan amount refers to the restriction on the maximum loan that the borrowers can obtain from the institution. The loan amount offered by Ar-Rahnu is determined based on the appraised value of the collateral provided by the borrower. However, there may be a few limitations on the loan-to-value ratio. Factors such as risk management practices and regulations and internal policies contribute to the limitation on the loan amount. With this issue, we can provide few solutions. The first solution that needs to be considered is review loan-to-value ratio. For example, perhaps the loan adjustment can be made by increasing percentage of the collateral item from 70% to maybe 100% or perhaps 110%. Next is introduce suitable loan structures. For example, maybe borrower could be offered more loan instead of just based on the current value of the collateral item. And lastly is the collaboration with the financial institution. By establishing partnership or make collaborations with other financing institutions such as banks, which can offer joint financings and leveraging the resources that the bank have. Let's move to the issue number 2, which is redeeming warranty. Lack of transparency in the evaluation process, where some borrowers have reported issues where the evaluations of their item value is deemed unfair or inaccurate. In some cases, borrowers have complained about the lengthy and bureaucratic procedure involved in reclaiming their item. For this issue, we provide 4 solutions. The first solution is a standardized evaluation process. This can involve creating guidelines or checklists as well as clear explanations regarding how the value is determined with your customers. Next is they can enhance their customer service. This can include training staff into handle inquiries, addressing borrowers' concern promptly, and providing clear guidance or necessary steps and requirements. Thirdly is improve transparency. Clear information should be provided about the step involved, such as documentations and any associated cost or fee during the process of pawning. Lastly, I would consider the streamlined procedure, which is reviewing their internal process, identify any unnecessary step, and works towards eliminating the unnecessary step, because it will make the process more efficient and less burden to their customer.
Good day, everyone. Transparency plays the important role in building trust and ensuring fairness. Let's explore the issue related to transparency in Ar-Rahnu services. Customers often face a lack of clear information about Ar-Rahnu services, leading to concern about hidden costs. This can cause dissatisfaction and mistrust among customers. To overcome this issue, financial institutions should provide comprehensive and easily understandable information by increased openness, by giving complete and simply understandable information about their services. Providing recommendation to clients whether through website display, pamphlet, or the use of infographic can aid in the straightforward distribution of information. Next, develop standardized contract that clearly outline the right and responsibilities. The financial institution must clearly state all the conditions and determination in the agreement or contract between the parties, the lender and the debtor, and all terms are agreed by both parties so that there is no issue arise due to dissatisfaction with the services. In addition, the financial institution must ensure that its employees are adequately trained to respond to borrowers' inquiry and worries and provide correct information. Communication is critical in disseminating information so that clients understand the term and condition of which they should be aware. The last issue that we want to highlight is limited accessibility. Ar-Rahnu services may be not widely accessible in all areas of Malaysia. This can pose challenges for individuals who do not have easy access to Ar-Rahnu institution. To ensure that services can be fully channeled, the financial institution need to take steps with expand the reach of Ar-Rahnu services to undeserved area. By establishing more branches or mobile Ar-Rahnu unit in rural or remote region, opening small branches in rural area can help them to get services without having to travel. In addition, if Ar-Rahnu branches may not be feasible to offer Ar-Rahnu services in area where dedicated, the institution may take steps by collaborate with local cooperative community organization or microfinance institution to cooperatively help to deliver services to the community. Lastly, leverage digital technology to provide online or mobile-based Ar-Rahnu platform, making the service accessible to a wider range of customers.
I will continue with the challenges that faced by Ar-Rahnu institution. The first one, Ar-Rahnu are threatened by traditional pawn shops because pawn shops offer collateral-backed loans and are well established. They provide unlimited redemption time and higher loan-to-value margin. As for the underground money lending, it offers high interest rates and immoral practices, hinders Ar-Rahnu. Despite their transparency and ethics, these illegal loan activities make a threat to those in need of quick cash who cannot access legitimate banking institutions. Ar-Rahnu should prioritize convenience and accessibility to compete with traditional pawn shops, like establish physical branches in strategic places, ideally in high-demand pawn shop districts. Next, streamlining the appraisal process, assure fast, accurate and clear evaluation and client feedback. To improve accessibility, Ar-Rahnu should offer a user-friendly online transaction platform. This digital platform lets users apply for loans, check transaction status and receive updates without visiting a bank. Forgery complicates Ar-Rahnu implementation because the collateral gold's validity and purity are questioned. The fake gold undermines trust in the pawnbroking system, threatening the Ar-Rahnu system integrity and stability. The Ar-Rahnu institution should invest in advanced testing equipment like X-ray fluorescent machines and ultrasonic thickness gauge to accurately analyze gold items from forgery. Ar-Rahnu institutions should work with law enforcement and gold industry administrators. This relationship lets them share information, report suspected counterfeiting, and receive assistance on emerging dangers and protection tactics. Gold prices determine Ar-Rahnu collateral and loan values. Gold price changes will greatly impact Ar-Rahnu users and providers. Global economic conditions, inflation, interest rates, geopolitical events, and market speculation affect gold prices, which challenge the Ar-Rahnu system. Ar-Rahnu provider and regulatory authorities can use regular valuation updates to establish gold collateral value based on current market conditions to address gold price instability.
Next challenge is higher margin of financing offered by the conventional pawnbroking. Majority of Ar-Rahnu operators give a lesser margin of financing ranging from 65% to 88% of value of Mohd. Storage wage charges are one of the contributing aspects to the cooperative and franchise Ar-Rahnu capabilities. The solution is adjust the rate of financing margin to maximum. Ar-Rahnu players should consider increasing the rate of financing margin to the maximum so that Ar-Rahnu can compete with conventional pawnbroker. Next solution is safekeeping fee. Ar-Rahnu operators charge a safekeeping fee for storing collateral items mortgaged by borrowers, which can lead to issues for borrowers. Next challenges is lack of knowledge and understanding about Ar-Rahnu's procedures. Factors influencing acceptance level, different elements have been discovered to encourage people to pick Ar-Rahnu. Issues concerning halal and haram, such as riba and sharia acceptance, are frequently a cause of people's misunderstandings about Ar-Rahnu. Some demographic variables, such as gender and degree of education, have an impact on how educated and knowledgeable buyers are. The solution is awareness and education regarding Ar-Rahnu. To gain faith of consumers or potential customers, the institutions in charge of the product should have a Sharia-compliant image or identity. Indirectly offers entrepreneurs a good response to Ar-Rahnu. Next solution is advertising. Ar-Rahnu seller can employ current customers to market the product through word of mouth or social media.
Overcoming all of these challenges and issues will not only help in better implementation of Ar-Rahnu in Malaysia, it can also elevate Ar-Rahnu standing as well as Islamic pawnbroking in the perception of world as one of the most trusted and reliable microfinance that improve financial and socio-economic development of the low-income people. That's it from Group 10. Thank you for watching.